Step 1. Soil. Prepare the pots or location you want to transplant your seedlings to by adding your preferred soil. Here I'm using the Seberjadi Biochar Soil Mix 1. Give the pot a gentle shake and even the surface out. Step 2. Transplant. Gently insert your hands from the side into the pot and scoop some of the seedlings out. Create an indentation to the soil with your finger. Carefully separate the seedlings and insert it into the indentation and cover the gap. Repeat this process with all the seedlings. Do not worry if the seedlings gets entangled. Gently tap it and it will separate by itself. Step 3. Water. Remember to water your seedlings once you have done transplanting. If the seedling is slanted, gently push it back. Here I'm using my hand to water the seedlings, but you can still use the water spray that was given to you during the workshop.